We have one final trader to go on the show, and that is Mike Shorr of Prosper Trading Academy. He's a day trader. We love having you here, Mike. What's your trade of the day?
Hi, Angie. Thanks a lot for having me. I'm looking at Peloton, PTON. Peloton's really gotten its lunch handed to it over the last week or so. Some of it is the coming out trade for COVID. Some of it is competition from the likes of Amazon and other people coming out with competitions for their bikes and treadmills. But what I am looking at is it's just getting a lot of attention, and it's pretty dynamic during the day. And so what I've been playing it keeps getting down to this like 86 level, $86, and it turns there. That has been a really key pivot point for day traders. And so I've just been waiting for it to come down to that level, show some sign of recovery there, buy it, and then have my stop in and then wait for it to happen. It usually happens about 3 or 4 times in a given day.
Well, thanks for peddling out that stock. But also, Mike, what are your thoughts on the stock market? Is the Fed still on traders' minds?
Well, I think the market is still trying to digest what Powell and earlier in the week what Yellen said. It got a little bit contentious there, and the market, the way that I've been describing it to people is the market is almost self-policing here. That the market is saying, okay, you are saying that maybe that inflation is something that's going to be around for a little bit. We'll take these indices, for lack of a better, all these down and see, if that gets you in a place where you can put together a little bit more dovish talk and just waiting for that. That's what the market wants to go up. But if the loud Fed governors, which are the hawkish ones, if they keep beating their drum, the market's going to go down. But it wants to go up. But it needs the beast constantly needs to be fed, and that won't stop. That's the way that it's going. But the central banks have always been, at least since in the last decade, have been quick to provide that backstop.
Great to have you here. Thank you so much, Mike.
Hey, thanks a lot for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.